Hey guys, what's happening? How to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. So you're gonna see on the left hand column chat, meet, and in the previous updates you could have seen call instead of meet. So now they included video with it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just join, let's say, this meeting, right? And instead of using my camera, I'm gonna just turn off my camera, of course, right here, and then use your computer audio, or if you have a mic, just use the mic of your PC, okay? And then of course hit join now, and you're gonna be able to talk or contact with other people using basically your audio without like camera stuff. So see you in the next one.